morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Anshul Sushan Patil, from 7th standard from Valmiki House, welcomes you all to today's assembly, conducted by the students of Valmiki House. First of all, I would like to call Hiral from 5th standard to tell today's day and date.
Good morning everyone, myself Hira Vikram Parmar from class 5th. Today I am going to tell day and date. Today's day is Saturday and today's date is 29th of June 2024. Thank you.
And I would like to call Siddharth from 6th standard to tell today's good thought. Good morning all of you, my name is Siddharth Dangal. Today's thought of the day is education is most important to our life. Thank you and have a nice. I would like to call Sanvi from 7th standard to tell today's specialty of the day.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my friends. My name is Sanvi Bandari. I am studying in 7th. My group is Valmiki House. Today I am going to tell significance of the day in recognition of a notable contribution made by Professor Prasant Chandra Mahalanobis in the field of economic and statistics. So Government of India has designated 29 June every year considering his birth anniversary as Statistic Day. Thank you.
I would like to call Arya from 8th standard to tell news headline.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arya Prasanna Kamble from class 8. I am here to tell the news. Indian Navy conducts crucial medical evacuation from Atti to Kochi. NIA raids in Gujarat, Maharashtra in 2021. Visakhapatnam SIS ACP Anaj case. NIA conducts multi-state searches in Laos. Human transfication in cyber fraud case. Delhi airport roof collapse. AAP demands probe of all centers made infrastructure. Locomotion gate details from Ernakulam Tatanagar Express in Kerala. Thank you and have a great day.
And I would like to call Jade from 8th standard to tell today's vocabulary of the day.
A very fabulous morning to one and all. Myself Zaid Mujawar is here to help you to learn a new word. So let's dive straight into the word phenomenon. It's a noun. It's spelled as Phenomenon. It means an act or event occurred naturally. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you all of you and have a nice day.